In this video, I will discuss how to factor to simplify a numerator and a denominator of a fraction, the top and the bottom of a fraction. Top to bottom is the operation of division. And if I factor a number or a polynomial, I am creating multiplication. Multiplication cancels with division when the numbers match. In this example, I can break down 45 as 9 times 5 or 3 times 3 times 5. I factored 45 to these factors. And I can also factor 75 to 3 times 25 or 3 times 5 times 5. And now this 3 on top and this 3 on bottom will cancel, and so will this 5 top to bottom. The multiplication that I created will cancel with the division of top to bottom, simplifying this to 3 over 5. Now I want you to remember that you need to factor. You need to make a factor. You need to create multiplication to cut top to bottom, to cut with division. Do not do this. This is very bad. I see students do this a lot, and it's just not true. You cannot cancel this 4 with this 4 because this is addition, and addition does not cancel with division. For example, 3 plus 2 over 2 should total to 5 over 2. This is false. Some students want to try to cut this 2 and make it a 1, but it's just not true. So don't do that. If you can simplify top to bottom, you need to be able to factor. So in this example, I can factor a 4 as a common factor from the top, and a 4 is 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8, so I factored a 4 from the bottom. Now that I have multiplication, I can cancel the 4 top to bottom. Because I could factor, I could cut, and that's a good thing to do. This is a bad thing to do. Last, I'm going to discuss with polynomials, but it's the same idea. I'm going to change this to multiplication by factoring. I'm going to factor the top, and I'm going to factor the bottom. There is a common factor of x in the bottom, so I can factor it. Now I have factors with multiplication, and x plus 3 on top will now cancel with the x plus 3 on bottom, leaving this x plus 3 on top and just the value of x on bottom. This is simplified after I factored.